Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to our U-Haul channel. Today we'll be reviewing the ANCRA Integra Big Bike tie down. Now this is a heavy duty tie down. As you can see, the first thing that you notice is the heavy duty cam buckle. This is for your larger bikes that you're looking to haul. This is a 5.5 foot tie down and it has a 600 pound working load. We'll go ahead and take a look at the back of the packaging, which shows the tie down selection chart and different requirements and instructions on how to use the tie down. So to take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a look at the tie down. Now, as we said, one of the most outstanding features on this tie down is the cam buckle. It is larger than most of the other ANCRA tie downs, and as we pull on it, we can see that it adjusts easily, and when it is fixed in its correct spot, we can pull on it and tell that it stays where it needs to. Heading over to the fixed side here, we have the vinyl covered S-hooks, and also on the fixed end, if you're going to be, when using it for your heavy duty bike, it has the option for the sewn hand loop, which you are able to use with the S-hook around your handlebar for your motorcycle. To kind of take a more of a closer look at the webbing, it is a nylon webbing, which is abrasion resistant. And to kind of take a closer look, it also has the ratings for the tie down on a tag for it. Once again, this is the ANCRA Integra Big Bike tie down. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.